Click on the link below to get price. The Rockford Fosgate HD9813SGU Stage1 digital media receiver in 4 speakers kit is an impressive audio upgrade specifically designed for select Harley-Davidson models from 1998 to 2013. Right out of the box, the kit stands out with its robust build quality and intuitive design. The receiver features a sleek, modern interface with a large, vibrant display that is easy to read, even in direct sunlight. The buttons are well placed and responsive, allowing for seamless navigation through various functions while writing. One of the major highlights of this kit is its compatibility with multiple media formats. The HD9813SGU supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for wireless streaming from smartphones or other devices. This feature enhances convenience and safety, enabling writers to enjoy their favorite playlists without fumbling with cables. Additionally, the USB and auxiliary inputs accommodate various media sources, ensuring versatility for every audio preference. The included 4 speakers are a game changer. Designed to handle high power output, they produce crisp, clear sound quality that elevates the writing experience. Even at highway speeds, the audio remains vibrant and audible, which is often a challenge with aftermarket solutions. The speakers deliver rich bass and clear highs, ensuring that your music, podcasts, or navigation prompts come through without distortion. Installation is straightforward, particularly for those who are familiar with basic automotive audio setups. The kit comes with all necessary mounting hardware and wiring, making it accessible even for DIY enthusiasts. However, professional installation might be preferred for those less experienced. Overall, the Rockford Fosgate HD9813SGU Stage1 kit is a fantastic investment for Harley owners looking to modernize their audio system. It combines quality, performance, and ease of use, making it a top choice for enhancing the auditory experience on the open road. Whether cruising through town or embarking on a long journey, this audio upgrade is bound to impress.